Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tech Pulse Daily, your ultimate hub for the coolest global tech stories that are revolutionizing our lives. I'm your host, and today we're cranking up the excitement with 5 mind-blowing breakthroughs from the last 24 hours. From AI playing therapists to battery-free gadgets and robotaxis conquering NYC, these are the innovations keeping us on our toes. So, let's dive in with some serious energy. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to join the tech party. First up, AI chatbots are stepping up as mental health heroes. Imagine skipping those endless wait lists for therapy and chatting with an AI like DrEllis.ai to tackle PTSD or depression. Folks like Pierre Code in Canada are raving about how it's saving lives by providing instant support. Developers are pumped about AI digging into root causes, but experts are like, whoa, hold up, nothing beats human empathy and watch out for those privacy pitfalls. Why is this huge? It's bridging massive gaps in mental health care worldwide, especially in underserved spots. But we need ethics checks to keep it safe. AI therapy, friend or faux pas? Next, say goodbye to battery swaps forever. Scientists have unleashed tiny Perovskite solar cells that power your gadgets using just indoor light. These bad boys hit 37.6% efficiency thanks to rubidium chloride magic and keep chugging at 92% after 100 days. Picture your keyboard or smart sensor running on office lights alone. Why does this matter? With IoT gadgets exploding, this slashes battery waste, saves cash, and goes green from European homes to Asian offices. Finally, a power source that's as low maintenance as my houseplants. Moving on, AI's wild ride is hitting the brakes, and that's actually good news. Since ChatGPT kicked off the frenzy in 2022, advances have been non-stop, but now they're slowing, giving businesses time to implement without constant upgrades. Tech giants are still dropping jaw-droppers, but the pace is stabilizing the hype. Why is this a win? It means smarter, sustainable AI rollouts across industries, cooling investor fever and steadying stocks for players like Nvidia and OpenAI. Phew, a breather in the AI marathon. Who knew slowing down could speed things up? Meanwhile, this story's got some bite, literally. UK scientists found that keratin from hair, skin, or even sheep's wool mixes with saliva to repair tooth enamel, stopping early decay better than fluoride. Coming soon to your toothpaste or gels in 2-3 years, it's a natural fix for something our bodies can't handle alone. Why is this awesome? It's a cheap, eco-friendly dental revolution that could slash cavities globally, especially in Europe where prevention's king. Who knew your next smile saver could come from a haircut? Sheer genius. And finally, buckle up, New York. Waymo's rolling into town with the city's first Robotaxi testing permit. They're starting with 8 self-driving cars in Manhattan and Brooklyn, safety drivers aboard for now, but driverless dreams ahead. Mayor Adams gave the thumbs up, diving into one of the world's craziest traffic jungles. Why is this epic? It could overhaul urban mobility, cutting jams and boosting safety in megacities everywhere, from US streets to Asia and Europe. Robotaxis in NYC? That's not sci-fi, it's your future commute. And that's today's tech extravaganza, from AI mending minds to wool fixing teeth and solar powering our world. Which breakthrough has you most excited? The empathetic AI or the battery-busting solar cells? Spill in the comments, give us a like if you're buzzing, and subscribe with notifications for tomorrow's scoop. Thanks for watching Tech Pulse Daily. Stay innovative, stay awesome, and I'll catch you next time.